I can still remember the excellent Slovenian presidency of the EU Council in 2008, when the Council was led by the President of SDS, Janez Janša. I can also recall the optimism that Slovenian economic indicators showed during the 4-8 mandate, the mandate of Mr. Janša. During the following mandate, the 2008-2011 one, Slovenia experienced a decline in dynamism and competitiveness. That is one of the reasons why Slovenia is at the moment so deep in economic and political crisis. I believe that it is vitally important for Slovenia to get the best possible government at the early general elections on the 4th of December 2011. That government should be led again by the Slovenian Democratic Party. Only SDS can start working to improve the situation in Slovenia immediately after the elections. During the last 2 years, SDS has prepared a concrete program with proposals for encouraging sustainable development, improving the state of public finances and the economy. The necessary short-term anti-crisis measures are also ready to be implemented. Its proposal to complement the Slovenian constitution in order to limit the share of public spending in GDP to 45% is an innovative and excellent proposal. SDS rightly insists on increasing financial flows and generating new investments. Economic growth and job creation in Slovenia depend on this. Dear Slovenians, I believe that a vote for the Slovenian Democratic Party at the elections on the 4th of December is the only guarantee for bringing back the optimism to Slovenian economy and society. And to say it in your language, glasujte za SDS in za Janša.